Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add black bars in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Wondershare Filmora's official website and download the application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but guys, that is not necessary. Now, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have in the top left corner, we have the file, edit, tools, view, export, and help options. The export button is gray at the moment because we don't have anything to go and export. We also have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and the split screen option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add black bars in Filmora. So the first thing that you actually need to do is go and of course launch the Wondershare Filmora and import your sources of files. So basically you need to go and import a file. I'll be putting a file here just for the sake of this video. You can go and drag it out here so you will have it on your timeline. Now you need to drag and drop the video as I said and enter the advanced edit panel and add title shapes. Then click the custom title shape to create a black bar, and that's basically how you can do it in just a few seconds. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow the channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I hope to see you in the near future on this YouTube channel. Until then guys, bye.